Hey there, welcome back to channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all you drivers out there. If you're someone who values safety on the road or just wants to capture those unexpected moments, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be diving into the best dash cams of 2024 that are redefining the game. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things automotive tech. Now, let's roll into it. Number 5. ThinkWare X1000. The ThinkWare X1000 dashcam is at the cutting edge of automobile safety technology, providing drivers with a comprehensive solution for documenting on-the-road accidents. The X1000 is designed to give unrivaled clarity, reliability, and peace of mind with a package of enhanced features and cutting-edge capabilities. With breathtaking 4K UHD quality, you can capture every detail. The X1000 offers crystal-clear film, allowing you to see license plates, road signs, and crucial information clearly. The X1000 excels in low-light circumstances thanks to its high-performance Sony STAR-VI's image sensor, which delivers vibrant and detailed photos even in demanding nighttime scenarios. Navigate various lighting conditions with ease. ViVR technology on the X1000 optimizes exposure by balancing highlights and shadows for well-balanced, true-to-life recordings. Super Night Vision 2.0 enhances your nighttime recordings. This feature uses intelligent image processing to reduce noise and improve visibility, ensuring clear footage during nighttime drives. Number 4. Vantrue E1. The Vantrue E1 dashcam is a tiny and feature-rich solution designed to give you peace of mind while driving. This dashcam is expertly constructed, featuring a variety of innovative capabilities to help you capture every moment on the road with clarity and accuracy. The Vantrue E1 has a dual-camera system that captures both the road ahead and the interior of your car at the same time. This extensive coverage is great for rideshare drivers since it ensures a complete record of your driving experience. Enjoy crystal-clear, full HD video recording both in front of and inside your vehicle. The high-resolution footage is critical for catching details like license plates and facial features. The sophisticated Sony STAR-VI's sensor provides outstanding image quality even in low-light circumstances. The Vantrue E1 ensures that your recordings are clear and crisp regardless of the time of day or night. ViVR technology improves the dashcam's capacity to manage fluctuating light situations. This assures balance and well-exposed footage, allowing you to catch details in both bright and dark surroundings. The built-in parking mode detects motion and begins recording when your vehicle is parked, adding an extra degree of security to your parked vehicles. The loop recording feature ensures that your dashcam's storage space is never depleted. Older footage is automatically overwritten by new recordings, allowing you to capture events indefinitely without worrying about storage limitations. In the event of a collision or sudden braking, the G-sensor activates an emergency recording and locks the footage, preventing it from being overwritten. This important feature saves important recordings for later review. The dashcam has a large and intuitive LCD display, allowing for easy menu navigation and quick playback of recorded footage directly on the device. The Vantrue E1 is designed for ease of use, with simple installation and intuitive controls, making it accessible to all drivers regardless of technical expertise. The Vantrue E1's tiny and discreet design guarantees that it blends into the interior of your vehicle without interrupting your line of sight. The Vantrue E1 has GPS, so you can track your vehicle's location, speed, and route. This information is useful for both personal use and in the event of an issue. Capture breathtaking time-lapse recordings while traveling, highlighting picturesque routes or noteworthy situations. The time-lapse tool gives a creative touch to your recorded footage. Personalize the dashcam with customizable options such as video resolution, exposure levels, and more. This adaptability means that the Vantrue E1 adjusts to your unique recording requirements. The dashcam includes a built-in microphone for recording audio in addition to video. This capability is ideal for recording discussions or ambient sounds within the vehicle. The Vantrue E1's wide-angle lens provides a huge field of vision, capturing a comprehensive viewpoint of the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle. This broad coverage aids in the thorough documentation of events. The Vantrue E1 is intended for easy installation with a sturdy mounting solution that keeps the dashcam in place even during turbulent rides. The small size enables for unobtrusive placement within your vehicle. The parking mode capability saves energy, ensuring the dashcam stays watchful even while your vehicle is still for extended periods of time. This function improves surveillance capabilities without exhausting your vehicle's battery. The Vantrue E1 is designed with advanced heat prevention features to prevent overheating, especially in hot weather. This feature increases the dashcam's longevity and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind with Vantrue's comprehensive warranty and customer support. Knowing you have dependable support gives an extra degree of assurance to your investment. Firmware updates keep you up to date on the latest features and improvements. Vantru ensures that your dash cam grows with technology, giving continuing performance advancements. Number 3. Nexar Pro. The Nexar Pro dash cam is a cutting-edge automobile accessory meant to provide drivers peace of mind while also improving road safety. The Nexar Pro is more than just a dash cam, it's your dependable witness on the road, thanks to enhanced capabilities and easy connection with smart technologies. With the Nexar Pro's high-resolution recording capabilities, you can capture every detail in crystal-clear quality. You'll have an exact record of your journey, whether it's a lovely drive or an unforeseen incident. The wide-angle lens provides all-around coverage of the road ahead. Record not only what is directly in front of you, but also the surrounding area, which will improve your overall safety. Intelligent event detection technology is built into the Nexar Pro. When it detects unexpected movements, crashes, or other significant incidents, it immediately captures and saves film, providing a trustworthy record for insurance claims or legal purposes. GPS integration adds context to your footage. Number 2. Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam redefines in-car safety and security. This dashcam is packed with innovative features and cutting-edge technology to provide drivers with peace of mind on every ride. Capture every detail in breathtaking 4K resolution. The IQ Smart Dashcam provides crystal-clear footage, allowing you to evaluate occurrences in unprecedented detail. The dashcam's emergency SOS feature automatically alerts emergency services with your location and essential information in the case of a collision, assuring fast assistance when it's most needed. The wide-angle lens captures the whole road ahead. This ensures that all vital detail is recorded, even in congested areas. Drive confidently at any time. The IQ Smart Dashcam captures clear and detailed footage in low light or nighttime circumstances thanks to superior night vision technology. On the smart touchscreen display, you can easily navigate settings and examine footage. The user-friendly interface provides smooth operation, enabling you to concentrate on the road ahead. Connect the dashcam to your smartphone for real-time footage review, configuration adjustments, and rapid sharing of significant events. Even when you're not in your vehicle, you can stay connected and in control. The built-in GPS system logs your travel, capturing position, speed, and route data. This data can be useful for insurance claims or simply keeping a complete record of your travels. Protect your vehicle even when it is parked. The IQ Smart Dashcam has a parking mode that records if an impact is detected, ensuring complete coverage whether you're driving or parked. With voice control, you can keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. With simple voice commands, control the dashcam to start/stop recording, snap images, or safeguard footage. The IQ Smart Dashcam's elegant and tiny design guarantees it merges flawlessly with your car's interior while offering inconspicuous yet powerful monitoring. To summarize, the Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam is more than simply a recording device, it's a complete vehicle safety solution. With its clever features, high-resolution recording, and seamless communication, it is a dependable friend for any driver looking for better road safety. Number 1. Nextbase 622GO. The Nextbase 622GO redefines your on-road safety by integrating cutting-edge features with outstanding visual clarity. This quality dashcam, designed to catch every detail, ensures your safety on the road while also providing innovative connectivity features for a seamless user experience. With breathtaking 4K HD resolution, you can take your video recording to the next level. The Nextbase 622GO shoots crisp and clear video, catching license plates, road signs, and other important information with excellent clarity. Drive with assurance day or night. The dashcam's advanced night vision technology ensures optimal performance in low-light circumstances, allowing for quality recordings even during nighttime travel. The 622GO's emergency SOS feature activates in the event of a collision. It instantly notifies emergency services of your location and critical facts, assuring a prompt response and assistance. Protect your vehicle even when it is parked. When motion is detected, the dashcam's intelligent parking mode starts collecting occurrences and giving critical evidence in the event of an accident or vandalism. Keep up to date on your travels. The 622GO's 10x GPS module records your speed and location correctly, giving an extra layer of information to your footage for full incident analysis. Enjoy hands-free operation information on the go. The integration of Alexa allows you to voice command your dashcam, play music, check the weather, and access a variety of other services without taking your hands off the wheel. Quick-link Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology lets you to seamlessly link your dashcam to your smartphone. The Easy Nextbase software allows you to view and share film, alter settings, and effortlessly manage your dashcam. The optional rear camera module expands your coverage. The 622GO has a modular design that allows you to expand your dash cam system for comprehensive front and rear protection. The 3-inch HD touchscreen makes it simple to navigate settings and examine footage. The user-friendly UI provides rapid access to important functionality while capturing intricate details with cinematic slow-motion filming. Guys, there concludes our top 5 best dash cams in 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.